Hi guys, it's Haley PS, and today I'm going to be telling you how to monetize your YouTube channel fast. So as you guys might know, I recently got monetized after only 5 weeks. Yes, that's right, 5 weeks. That is extremely fast. So let's get right into it. Step 1, you need to define your niche. Who are you? Who is your audience? Are you a gaming channel, dog vlogger, fitness channel? You need to be specific before you do anything else. The next thing you need to do is prepare your channel by creating art and profile pictures. This is your first impression that viewers are going to have of your page. What do you want to show? If you guys don't know how to create channel art or profile pictures, please check out my recent video on how to create a YouTube channel from your phone fast. Step 3, we're going to optimize your SEO. Thankfully, there are great tools online where we can do this. I'm going to recommend downloading VDIQ. As you can see here, it's on the App Store, and they also have a website. We're going to use their application to check each one of our videos and follow their tips to use their keywords and update our tags, descriptions, and titles based on their suggestions. As you can see, they've given us an SEO score, so we can see what we need to change. We can add keywords, tags, search to see which keywords are popular. And another cool thing they have is a checklist where we can go through and see what are their suggestions for getting more views on our videos. This is important. You need your video to get along with YouTube's algorithm well, so it can suggest your viewers to the right audience. Step 4. Now this is most important. Remember how I said we want to get along with YouTube's algorithm well? Well, one important thing you need to do as a creator is post on a consistent schedule. A lot of people misunderstand what exactly that means. That doesn't mean you have to record and upload your videos every single day, but pick a set amount of days that you're willing to work on your channel and have them scheduled to post on certain days so that your viewers know when to check in for a new video. Now we're finally ready to reach our audience. The next thing we're going to do is use social media to create some pages for our YouTube channel. This way we can find our audience, see who's interested in our videos, get their feedback, and let them know when new videos are coming out. It's a great way to self-promote and also just to feel closer to your audience. YouTube tends to create a barrier between the creator and the viewer. This way, those lines are crossed. We're both just users of social media, getting to know each other and enjoying each other's content. Step 6 is definitely the hardest. Now we've done all that we can do, and we're going to watch and wait. In the meanwhile, we're going to keep an eye in YouTube Studio on our analytics to see how successful we are at getting and retaining new viewers. Alright guys, if you followed all these steps and you watched and waited, hopefully you'll eventually reach 1,000 subs. Now for me, this happened very quickly within a month, and I was ready to apply for monetization. It may take a little longer depending on what your niche is. Some fare better than others. That's just how YouTube works. But with a little hard work and posting consistently, it's possible. Anything is possible. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys succeed at getting monetized. Thank you.